Hey guys, and welcome to my stream. Another day, another down. Hmm? All right, it's Monday. Let me just adjust my light. Hmm. It's Monday, and yeah, it was a pretty mm, boring range. I'm eating right now, so I'm sorry if this is disturbing you, but it is how it is, right? Well, all right, let me first get my things done here. There we go. Let me just pick up my 1 minute. Wait a minute. That's the wrong one. We need M and Q. Ah, come on. M and Q futures, 1 minute. Don't tell me my. Oh man. Oh man. Why is that? Why? Why? Tell me why. Why do I have to open them each time? No, that's a lie. Like I don't even have to open them once. Like normally, it's not asking me for shit. There we go. Is there also the fair value gap from Friday? It was. This is Friday, right? Sunday. This here is Friday. Yeah, we good. All right. Mm, well, well, well. But that's not where we start. We start here. I don't know why my mic is so loud. Maybe I'm a bit too loud. That could be, huh? Hmm. Maybe I drag this a bit down and then it should work. Yeah, there we go. All right. All right, okay. We start at the weekly. So we built right now I have to do something here. All right. All right, we built a fair value gap today. Like this here is a in creation fair value gap, which means it's not built yet, but it's about to build. So I think this will stay as a fair value gap. I don't really think we will close this, at least not today. Um, for the rest of the week, it's depending on how price is behaving today and tomorrow, and then I will make a conclusion out of it. But yeah, for now, like the weekly isn't really giving anything. The monthly has a volume imbalance here. Yeah, come on. Ugh, I hate it. There we go. This is a volume imbalance on the monthly. So what I could imagine is, let's pick up the weekly here. What I could imagine is, okay, let me just correct those here. Why is the weekly here looking so weird? That's to regard to other levels. No, that's because of the daily. Okay. Basically, if we go into the volume imbalance of the monthly, we would be closing the fair value gap a bit, like not completely, but we would go a bit into it. And yeah, so I think this is realistic, and I also expect this volume imbalance to give us a bit of a reaction. So yeah, like that could be something for today, which would be this level here, which would be the new week opening gap high from the, where are we here? From the 2nd of February. Um, I guess we're already in the range. We are already in the range. Like, let me put this somewhere so you see it too. There we go. All right. So basically the that was stupid. Anyway, we can do it like this. Basically, if we go into this, like you have here the levels of the 15-minute chart. Basically, if we go up here, which is the start of the, you see it on the bottom right corner, which is the start of the volume imbalance on the monthly, we would touch the new week opening gap high of the 2nd of February, and also a cluster of new day opening gaps. But yeah, so let's let's keep this in mind. I will hold this on the weekly as well, so we see there, but I don't know, is it there yet? Yeah, okay. So let's just extend it to the right and then add something like volume imbalance 1 month. There we go. All right, here we got the daily. Like daily also is about to build a volume imbalance here. So if we go on the daily here, this would be the low of the last day. Yeah, like it's not so, both the high and the low of the monthly volume imbalance is not really a significant level to me on the daily chart. But yeah, let's see. Let's see how it's behaving when we, as soon as we get there. So then we can say something more about it. But mm, for now, want to see how it's behaving at the monthly um, volume imbalance. We get a nice reaction on our inversion level. Like our inversion level would be this here, which goes through this fair value gap, and then we had a nice reaction going higher. And now it gets a bit complicated. The monthly volume imbalance is also a part of the 4-hour volume imbalance from, I guess it was last Monday, from last week, which is still intact because we don't really, like, we did balance it a bit, but not enough for my taste. But we will see it, how price is behaving as soon as we reach this level. So yeah, we got like this. Let me just make this one as well. Mhm. That's perfect because I don't see the other levels end, but there we go. It should be this level here as well. All right. Yeah, we had a nice reaction on the 4-hour fair value gap here, and I expect also a reaction on the 4-hour volume imbalance because it's also the monthly volume imbalance, right? Um, yeah, like the weekly volume imbalance, the hourly chart is for me just for the sake of um, having some transparency and some chart without any drawings on it, right? Just to have a have an insight into the chart itself without any levels to it. So let's jump on the 15 um, minute chart. We got it here. Yeah, so basically we consolidated through Asia and London within the new week opening gap of the 3rd of March. And yeah, like we made it through it after the London range, and now we're still in in a new week opening gap, but now of the 2nd of February. So this means we broke out of the range of the daily opening range at least. So from the midnight opening range at least, where we hold on, you can see it. There we go. That was pretty stupid. Like I talk without showing you anything. All right. So we basically have been in the range of the third of the new week opening gap from the 3rd of March, which is this level and this level, through Asian and the London range, and within the midnight opening gap, which is this one, like the first high and the first low on a 15-minute basis since the opening from the last day, um, to the midnight open, basically. And yeah, we break through it after London range. So we're right now on the high. I want to see what the opening is doing. And yeah, then we will see farther, because Mondays are usually very um, difficult for me to suggest what they want to do. But yeah, we will see. Like in general, I expect higher prices for today, and I could imagine we do some move lower, maybe also stabbing through this London range. I don't think we will take out the Asian range, because this is really a bit low. Like this would be 100, 200 points from here. But I guess we will go somewhere below the last day low, the London low, and then shoot for higher prices. As I said, with my target somewhere around the volume imbalance, and then I want to see like here the monthly volume imbalance, and yeah, then I want to see like how price is behaving from there. So let's switch to the 1 minute chart for our opening. We got our move lower, but yeah, like that's not enough for me, but this could be our, no, it's not our first presented fair value gap. Mm, Let me just do a screen. There we go. Yeah, so we made our move lower. I have expected it to go way lower. Like I expected it somewhere to go to the last day high, or to the at least to the opening range gap settlement, to take out the London range low with a wick. Um, yeah, but man, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we just go higher. I don't know. Like we got news at 10, I guess. Let me see. Um, by the way, heat map is the heat map is looking very nice. Like it's all green, man. That's crazy. Well, let's see. Let's see. I mean, Monday is the first opening after a week and after a very exciting last week. So let's give the market a bit of space to breathe. But first, let's go into Forex Factory. There we go. Yeah, like we got in 10 minutes, oh, we got two type of news and Trump speaking. I don't get it. Like Trump is speaking each day and this is destroying me. Anyway, but we got at 9:45 PMI and at 10 we got ISM manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing prices. So I will not do anything until we're done with the news. But let me see when Trump is speaking. So I take this one here. Well, I will not log in now. I take this one here for a bit of more detailed um, information. You see it here, like you got the hour even when Trump is speaking, which you don't have at Forex Factory. I will show that also after it, but here you got like that's my time zone right now, which isn't your time zone. Like 7:30 here is around, I guess 1:30 in USA, New York time. And yeah, like if we go to Forex Factory, you just see a tentative Trump speaking, but not a detailed hour, and that's what you need. Like for now, if Trump is speaking at in the PM session, I can say I can trade the AM session. If he would speak in the AM session, I wouldn't touch it, to be all honest. So yeah, we will just look at price until news are over. So we got our first presented fair value gap, which is this one here. Ah, come on. There we go. Um, 3rd March. So that's not the last day low. This is a wrong level. This is the Thursday low, I guess. I'm not sure about it, but anyway, it's not. Yeah, it's the Thursday low. No, hold on. It's the Wednesday low. It's the Wednesday low. The level I deleted here, like this one here, but it's not a meaning for me anymore. Um, Here you see the current levels I'm very focused on regarding to the fact that we have news in 10 minutes. I don't really give too much right now about the first real-time hour for value gap, neither about something else in the 1 minute chart. So I really focus mainly on the 15-minute chart and also on the divergences on S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow. So I want to see how the other two indices is are behaving, um, if they are strong or if they're weak. But anyway, I will not do anything before the news. Let me grab my food. So basically, I'm sorry for eating, but I have to, like we all. Mm, we took out a buy side, like we're still in the range of this new week opening gap from the 2nd of February. You see it here. Like all my levels are with the tag on the right side. And what I said before, what I want to see is a huge down move somewhere to the last day high, mm, stabbing with a wick, or let's say it this way. I want the body to be either about the last day high, which would be really cool, and it would suggest me some strength in the market. But I would be also be cool with the body closing above the opening range gap settlement, or better saying, it's the opening range gap low right now, because markets are open. And we opened above this price, so this price is the low. Mm, yeah, so I want bodies to stay inside of this, and I want the wick to be below the London range low, or even below the Asia range low. And after it took out this, I want to see the body close above the opening range gap low or the last day high. And if this happens, I will go down to the 1 minute chart and search for something like a inversion or a breaker, but only if this is happening between 10 and 10:10 to use the macro in 9:50 and 10:10. But regarding to the news at 10, I will not do anything until 10. So my only time window is 10 to 10:10, like 1 minute after the 1 minute after the news. I will trade. And until then, I just do my analytic part. So let's make this smaller and work with the 1 minute. Where do we have it? Here. So, all right. Now we got the 1 and the 15-minute chart next to each other. And also I want to draw in the opening range, at least from the settlement to the opening, which is this level. This gives me some confidence if I have a bias. Like it's from the ICT. I'm not sure, but I guess it's from the 2023 mentorship. 2023 or 2024, this opening range gap stuff. So basically it's you if you open above it, you get a range and like to it, and you don't want to see price going below half of it. If price does so, it's okay, like it's permissible, but you really don't want it to see it close fully and go below, because this would suggest heaviness in price. And if price is not able to even close below the midpoint, this is really strength in price. So this means the price is really strong, and you can expect at least at a higher percentage higher prices. I don't think it's a strategy on itself. I'm not sure. Like I wouldn't use it as a strategy on itself, but I really do like it as a help for my bias. Like this is really saving my ass a lot of times when I have the wrong bias, and it's really just dropping below it. And yeah, I would have my entry somewhere here. um, this is really giving me some more insight to where price wanna go to. Mm, how much of a range is this? Like this opening range. Um, sorry, real-time order value gap here. Let's put a text below so you see what it is. It's a bit too small for me. So what I want to do right now is take this one and mark this as the first real-time hour fair value gap with displacement. I like to have, if I get two appearing fair value gaps after the real-time trading hours open, I will mark both of them, the small one and the bigger one, because a lot of times the bigger one has also huge impact on price and even more impact than the first appeared smaller one. So maybe we will see it if price goes back, because normally, and I, I hope price will not do the opposite of it as I say it, because you guys know it, as soon as you speak something out, like things are going completely the opposite. So normally I expect something like a displacement through it and then a reaction in this fair value gap, some retracement and then stabbing through it. There we go. We are here on the level I wanted to see it, stepped through the last day high. And normally this would have been my entry. Like not now, I would look for an entry right now. As soon as it goes through the, let me bring this last day high um, to the minute chart so you see it a bit better. It stepped through the last day high, and normally I would look right now for something like a breaker or inversion level around here, but not now. Regarding to the fact that we got news right now at 45, I guess it was PMI, and also we got in 15 minutes some more news, like red news. This one is orange. The news at 10 are red. And regarding to this fact, I want to wait until 10 and just do some analytics. So I will continue eating my, I would show it to you, but it really doesn't look good. It's mm, it's yogurt with cornflakes and stuff. I mean, of course, price could just explode higher throughout the news, but that's a risk I have to take because also price could go like shoot lower and take me out if I go now when the macro starts into a trade. And I don't want to risk it because the volatility when news are appearing, like for especially red news, yeah, the risk is too high for me. And I don't want to be involved in such a high risk. I forgot my post on Instagram. I will quickly add the link. Like price does what I expected to do, right? It goes lower, at least right now. So I want to see it go a bit lower until news are over, like in 10 minutes. There are the red news, and I hope it will like step down below and then look for higher prices. That's what I want to see. But yeah, let's see what price is doing. This week is this week is NFP, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. Holy. Hmm. Oh yeah, this week is NFP, so it could be a nice. Mm, so it could be a nice Monday today. Let's see. Like if we don't miss the move, then it will be really nice. So where's the link from my stream? There we go. Put it on the Instagram. All right, there we go. Post it and let's go. Let's continue eating. I mean, we got 9 minutes left. Nice. I was muted the whole time. Yeah, so basically, I don't want to see within the next minute some really, really huge move. Like it could move until, I don't know, somewhere here, let's say here. But mm, it shouldn't make some extraordinary move right now until the news at 10 a.m., which is in 7 minutes. Mm. If it does so, okay, I don't care. But it would be nicer if it wouldn't. So at 10 a.m., I want price to rip down below this London range low and also below this Asian range low, just just with the wick, not with the body. I want to see the body close above this opening range gap. And yeah, that would be like my signal to look for an entry, which would be just something about the last day high. Um, Wait a minute. Why do we have this level here is absolute trash. I don't know why it's there, but yeah. Anyway, so this is our last day high. If we go below the opening range gap low and below the London range low and below the Asian range low, just with a wick, and our body is closing above the opening range gap low, I will look for higher prices. And as soon as we step through the last day high and we build something like an inversion or something like um, a breaker, I would go in with my partial at, unfortunately, at the first return market value gap, but at the first displacement, like at the bigger one. Yeah, because I could imagine that we get some resistance here, maybe some retracement, and I don't want to risk it. But yeah, so we are 5 minutes before news, but within the macro. So I don't wanted to see it step through this level already, but it did. So let's see how it's behaving. I mean, it's still a macro, so it's permittable. Yeah, we got mm, a really strong heaviness here. So I mean, let's see. Let's see how price is behaving at the news, but I could imagine, due to the fact that we have go lower so far, that news will just rip higher, and then we will go like then I guess we will continue to move higher throughout the day. Mm. I mean, I could be wrong. We also could like reach for lower prices today to do something in the weekly level later. Mm. I mean, that's also possible, but I don't know if I expect that from the price. I don't really think so. But if we do so, if we go lower today, I expect the whole week to be positive, except of maybe Tuesday. But yeah, 2 minutes until the news are coming, and then we are start then we are about to start like real trading, right? One minute left. Hmm. I got a feeling that we will not catch any trade today. Maybe I'm wrong though. Maybe price is in fact giving us something. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Many people will say this is too lot of information on charts, but I said it once and I will say it again each time. Mm, Not all of these levels have the same impact on price for me. Like new week opening gaps have very much impact on price to me. New day opening gaps a bit lower impact. Daily highs, daily lows, even lower impact, and so on and so far. Like it's very depending on the level how much impact they got. So there we are. Um, it's 10 a.m. We have our news, and to my surprise, we did not just rip higher. So um, yeah, that means my longs could still be a thing. Like I will not desperate look for a long here. If price is giving me something, fine. If not, it's also okay. I play with the thought that I will enter above this level here, like above the first real-time marshal value gap, but I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Like the fact that it closed below the opening range gap low is giving me some. Yeah, this is giving me a really difficult time considering what I would do. But I stick with it. Like I still stick with it, depending on the reaction on the last day high, how price is reacting here. Because if it just goes through it and dances around this level, or not even comes through it, but bounces back on the level itself, I would consider turning into bearish. But for now, and maybe it's kind of stupid because we closed like we get here with huge with whoa, what the fuck, with huge displacement. So yeah, maybe it's bearish already, but I will wait what price is giving me. Do we have some more news? I don't think so. I think um, the news right now has been the last for today. Yeah, yeah, like we got Ward's total vehicle sales, but also FOMC Musalem speaks, but yeah, Trump at 1:30. I don't really think they have any impact right now for the AM session. So So for me to enter right now within my pattern, price has to do something really crazy, like mm, something unnatural, um, some very huge move upwards right now. Mm, yeah, like if price is like if price will dance around this level and will not give me any kind of displacement through it, and my bias is switching to short as soon as we um, will not come through it or we dance around this level. I I will not do anything until price is giving me some more information. So I will wait until we reach the last day high, if we reach it, if we even reach it, because it could also be that price is just ripping lower. If price is really showing me the willingness to go lower, mm, I would expect a strong move somewhere to this level here, to 2650. Mm, yeah, but let's see. Let's see how price is behaving at the last day high. Right now we touch the opening range gap low. Let's zoom a bit into this. We touched the opening range gap low here. I can make this smaller, so this way it's a bit better to see. Mm. Also, we can take the midnight. Oh no, would it? Oh yeah, it's okay. Like that's the 9:30 opening, and also let's put the 8:30 opening, which is here. All right. So we see we have a strong reaction on the opening range gap low, and yeah, this is a level I really don't want to play with because yes, it's a strong level. Also, it's a very valid level, but I saw it multiple times hitting it, going lower, tricking me into a short. then I have then I have took a short, and then it just ripped higher to the last day high or low, giving me my normal pattern and then going in my direction. And I don't want to do that. Like I want to stick with my pattern at least as long as I um, can do it in perfection. Satisfaction. How is this when I do something like beatboxing as background music? Is it still copyright or is this fine? That would be interesting though. Let's look at a heat map. There we go. Well, it's damn, most of them are neutral. Nvidia is just doing crazy again, -4%. Man, Nvidia is the new crypto. It's so volatile. It's amazing. Like now it's with -5%, and in the next couple of hours it can go to 0 or even +2, and makes a whole range of somewhere between, I don't know, 5 and 7%, which is like in stocks, this is, at least in my opinion, this is a lot. A lot of it. So yeah, how's your day going? What you doing at home? Watching streams? At work? Watching streams? Who knows? Who wants to know? I want to know. I'm done with eating. Would I take a trade? Mm, in the 1020 to 1040 macro? Maybe, baby. Let's see. Like we took sell side out and a lot of it. Like we um, stumbled at this breaker here, at this order block here. So we could go lower still, but we had a huge reaction on this order block. So let's see. Forever young, I want to be forever and ever. Holy moly, what an exciting market, isn't it? No, it isn't. Well, that's why do I have this one here? This one should be here. This one could be deleted, and I want to see it this. Yeah, like we had a divergence um on the high here. This one is below, this one is higher, this one is higher as well. So yeah, reasonable to go lower. I mean, I wouldn't have done anything with it because it was obvious before news, but maybe some of you did, which would be pretty cool. Let's listen to some other live streams, what they say about this chart and price action. Start with Wieland. 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 Weasel. Wieland. Patrick Wieland. Oh. Ah! Well, price isn't doing anything, just consolidating. I don't know. I don't know, like price isn't really giving me anything. Like it does what I wanted it to do, which was going through last day high, opening range gap low, London range low, Asian range low, and stepping through it and taking all the sell side. But yeah, I wanted it just to wick through, just dip, just dip like you do it with your nachos and a dip. Just a quick dip and then out of it and close above it, above the opening range gap below, not below it. And now we close below it, which means price is too heavy, at least heavier than we expected it to be. I'm sitting on hot stones, so I want to do something. I will put a short on now. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I am kidding. But yeah, I would like to see strong price action. Oh, I'm not logged in. What the fuck? Why? Why am I not logged in? How is this possible? Now, there we go. There we go. There is my. There is it. There is it. There is it. There is my account. So we're at 50% of the wick from the last 15-minute candle. Ouch. We want to see how price is behaving there. Do we go higher or lower, sir and madam? Dear ladies and gentlemen, do we go higher or lower? Do we go higher or lower? Do we go higher or lower? What will be the pattern of today's price action? I mean, even if we go above the opening range gap low, we would still have this new week opening gap low as some kind of resistance. And also, sir, we would have the last day I like, I don't know, but in my opinion, in my opinion, I'm not confident of going long in this price action, sir and madam. I don't know. I really don't know what to do. I mean, we go higher. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty nicey, dicey, pricey action here. But yeah, uh, I don't know. I really don't know. I want to see how price is behaving at the last day high, and if it gives me some kind of weakness, or it shows me how strong it is. But um, yeah, I don't know. I like the possibility for it to go lower raised a lot. Like when we first started, I thought something about, I don't know, 30 lower, 70 higher, and now I guess like for the whole day, and now I get, or let's say at least for the AM session, right? And now it turned into for the AM session into 60% lower to 40% higher, in my opinion. But maybe I'm wrong though. Who knows? Who knows? The market maker knows. Man, I ate a lot. I'm tired though. Oh, but to be fair, this looks really nice. Like this is a really nice looking price action here. It's um it's with a nice leg to the upside, but I want to see some reaction on the last day high. Like I would absolutely not like to see it rip down from here without touching the last day high. Like I would love to see it touch the last day high and then go lower or even higher, depending on how we react on this specific point, which is the last day high. Higher, 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 higher. Oh man. Mm-hmm. Well, 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 well. There we go. Let's touch it. Let's touch the last day high. Let's touch it. Come on, touch it. Yeah, just I don't know how much is it? $10? $10? 10 points. Hmm. Just 10 points. Bring it. Bring it. So this is the level I want to see it touch until until I think about a new bias or narrative or anything. Like every time Trump is speaking, I just see it at the same day. Like I don't see it at the day before. Is it normal? Is Trump really um, announcing this on the same day? I can't believe this somehow. Let me see. Mm, I can see it. Why is that? Huh. Yeah. Anyway, we touched the last day high right now. Um, Let's go. Trading can start. No, I'm joking. We touched the last day high. We're within the macro of 1020 to 1030. So I want to see how price is behaving from here. If we get some kind of dancing around price action, I will not do anything. If we are not able to hold price above the last day ho, above it's yeah, the last day is also a ho, but I'm talking about the last day high. I will not consider going long anymore. Yeah, going long anymore, and maybe changing the bias to bearish. But if we respect this and go higher, like maybe retouch it and get some reaction here, I will immediately go in. Immediately. I will just snipe the entry. Well, maybe not snipe it. Sniping would be somewhere down here, but yeah, at least pump gunning. Pump gunning it. Pump gunning. Is this word even existing? Pump gunning? Should exist. It should exist. I like to pump gunning. I like to pump gunning. I like pump gunning. I like pump gunning entries. Sounds good to me. So let's see. Let's put the charts on. Let's lock and load the weapon. Oh yeah. So as I said, like I want to see a reaction out of it, or not out of it, but away from it, touching it and then react from it. What I don't want to see what I don't want to see it is it. What I don't want to see is that it's going below the last day high and just having an easy time going above and below it. Like normally, even this look is this is looking a bit too easy for me though. I want to see some huge and strong move going through it. I mean, yeah, you could argue that on the 15-minute time frame there is a huge move, but like most of the 15-minute time frame candles are bigger. But 1 minute does really show you where you have displacement and where not. And yeah. But let's see how this plays out. I have no entry yet, by the way, so even if it would touch this and go with the displacement away from it, I would have no idea where to enter. Basically, I like this idea here, but I mean that's already 21:10. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't like this price action today, so maybe I just stay away from the. Maybe I just stay away. I don't know. And that's what I talked about. Like that's exactly what I don't want to see. But maybe it's giving me some kind of a short. or not. Like it's all depending right now how it's acting here. If we dance around, I will not do anything. If we go lower, I would switch to bearish. If we go higher, I would stick with my bullish bias, but still I have no freaking idea where to. Yeah, so at least I wouldn't say my bullish bias um, changed to bearish, but at least it changed to neutral. Like I'm not anymore that bullish as I was at the opening. So still it's depending, as I said before. If we go down from here, I expect lower prices. And if we go higher, I expect higher prices for the AM. But it seems to me that we will dance around this level. We will dance around this level and then do some um, displacement at, I don't know, 11:30 or so. But this is really, that seems to me like at least it's not willing to rip higher for now. But maybe I'm wrong though. Yeah, so somehow price is not really giving us anything now. At least not nothing in my um, nothing what I like, right? At least nothing what I like. How are we doing on the daily? Yeah, close this for value gap here, even a bit above it, and trade it lower since. Yeah, I switched to bearish. I switched to bearish. Guess I guess we will go lower. Like, don't get me wrong. Um, at least taking out this sell side here, and I don't know how it will behave at this order block here, but at least for now, this move here above the last day high, below it again, and now touching it from the downside, I expect some kind of reaction here, like when it is touching it. It can wick above it. I don't really care about this, but as soon as it touches it, I want to see some strong displacement to the downside and go lower for the AM session. So let's see how price is reacting. Hold on, I'll be back in like, I don't know, maybe 1 minute. There we go. I mean, you can still see my display, but I cannot. So why is that? Hold on. Mm, It freezed. Oh no. Okay, let's. We'll have to change the display real quick. Should be this one. Yeah. I don't know, the other one kind of stuck. So I will just delete it. There we go. Yeah, like this is exactly why I will not be confident with my analysis today, because I don't know, it doesn't seem to me to have a real direction. I guess it will just rip buyers and sellers and just go higher and lower. Yeah, so I mean, let's see what price is doing, but I'm very confident about not taking any trade today. Oh, because this is not what I want to see. Mm, this is not what I like to see. I would love to see, man. I would like to see it. NFP Monday, something different. No. All right. Like, hmm, hmm. YMCA. No, no joke now. Um, I don't know. I really want to see something different at an NFP Monday, but yeah, let's see. Let me have a look at. I don't even know what I wanted to look at, but yeah, at the heat map. Yeah, heat map isn't doing anything as well. Like Nvidia is still -4, Apple is still in neutral. Most of the charts are also in neutral. So there is not really a lot of action to the price right now. Oh man, yeah, so basically we have no idea. I have no idea what price will do now. I mean that's here it's that's nice again. Like that's a nice reaction here from the um daily low of the 25th of February. We can make it here to see. I mean we just fell short before it. No, we even touched it. This is unbelievable. Let's see. This is the high of it is 989.25 and the level itself is 989.75. I mean, it fell short zero point 0.5 ticks from it. Ticks, ticks. All right. Anyway, let's do it. Um, I feel a bit of crazy today. I don't know. I really have. Although I received a fucking um, bad letter from my insurance, um, I I'm pretty good. I'm in a pretty good mood. Would be nice to catch a trade, but if not, then it is what it is, I guess. Would be okay. Would be okay. Would be okay. Come on, do something. You know this meme with the stick? Come on, do something. That's me right now. I want to see it do something, do something. Do 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 something. Well, basically, to be honest, even if it would do something, I said it before and I stick with it. Price is dancing around the last day high, as I said it, and this is qualifying it for me to sit on my hands and do nothing. So put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. I won't do shit today because I don't want to lose money. I want to keep my money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, money, money is funny in a rich man's world. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. Yeah, so basically, as I said, we dancing around this level here, and due to the fact that we have no news anymore today, I don't really expect price to do something. Pretty boring price action. Boring price action. Boring price action. We need some more action here. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. This is not looking good, man. It's absolutely. What are the what are the other indices doing, sir? We got a divergence here as well. Do we? Yeah, we got a divergence, but it's a divergence on the Dow, which is not really of huge importance to me, though. And always I say this, it is of huge importance.
Du kannst etwas aus Leidenschaft machen.
Voila. That was my commercial. Yeah, like we now we have something of a bit more meaningful here. We bounced off the level of the last day ho. It's still a hoe. It is still a hoe. We can say that. Um, of the last day high, and now we go lower, which means right now it's qualified itself for lower prices. So I guess we will go lower right now. It's no entry for me, so I will not take anything because I want to stick with my bias and with my pattern. But um, yeah, like I assume that that price will go lower from here, um, due to the fact that we go lower, have gone has due to the fact that we have gone lower from the last day high. So right now, I would love to see some reaction, reaction here. I would love to see some reaction here. In this fair value gap, I would like to see this very much. Can you please give this to me? Please, 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 please. Please give it to me. There we go. One time in macro, one time in macro. Zoomed in, zoomed out, zoomed in, zoomed out, zoomed in, zoomed out. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. So basically, price is going lower as expected, bodies holding in this range and in this fair value gap. As soon as we rip it higher, I have again no bias. Like even this right now isn't a real bias. Like it's not strong enough for me to do something. But I guess we will go lower. Like price is giving me the signals that we will go lower. Loady doody doody do. And yeah, I will end the stream earlier again. Again, diden. I like this. This. this I don't know how to say it. Circling around words. So where do we go from here? Like prices going up, down, 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 up, down. So we holding strong to the level of this fair value gap. So pretty silent here. Pretty silent here. But yeah, I guess that's how it is, right? What do we even got tomorrow? Let's see. Mm, what do we have tomorrow? Well, tomorrow is it's very boring. Like tomorrow there is not really anything. Not really anything. On Wednesday there is again PMI, and yeah, like for the US, if we just take orange and red in, there is just on Wednesday 3:45 PMI and 4 ISM PMI. Wait a minute. Monday was ISM manufacturing PMI, and this one is that's too far. This one is services PMI. All right, I got it. Yeah, so like we got on Wednesday non-farm employment change at 8:15. We got final services PMI at 3:45. ISM services PMI at 10. And at 10:30 we got crude oil inventories Thursday. Thursday, there's also a lot of things happening. Unemployment claims at 8:30. ECB is speaking on Thursday as well. Could have could have an impact. Could have an impact. Yeah. So at least for now, I don't really care about anything. In the price, in the price, in the price. So let me have a look to something. Yeah, so honestly, I really don't know what the price will do. It's kind of a weird price action. It's a real weird price action to me. Mhm. Anyway, anyhow, look at this. Look at this shit. Price is going up, price is going down, price is going up, price is going down. But in macro, prices don't really doing anything. Like it's just going sideways. I mean, look at this. This is not really some price action someone wants to participate in. I'm thinking about if there is still something I would enter, where I would enter. But I really don't think I would. Oh man, yeah, prices. I mean, price action is pretty boring right now. I don't know if it's just me, but hold on. I had to pick up a call. Well. Yeah, so I will close in 10 minutes. I will close in 10 minutes because I really don't know what to do with this price action. Like, it isn't giving me anything, nothing, like really nothing. And I don't want to sit in front of the charts and just look to the price action and what it is doing without taking action on anything. Like, that's not me. So we again touched last day high. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the actually fuck? Fuck, ding, 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 ding. Now price is going higher with real movement there. It's not even 11:30. But I guess that's it. So let's see, but I think we will close here somewhere. Yeah, so basically that's it, I guess. I will not stick around here. Like, I think there could be something right now. It could happen something, but I don't want to be involved in price action. Um, I don't want to be involved in price action before or shortly before midday. I just want to win. I don't want to lose. I don't want to do. I want to do some dumb shit. So I will go out here and I will close this stream. Yeah. So have a nice day. Good luck while trading if you do so. And I wish you a good day. I hope you make some profits. And we will hear each other tomorrow at 9:15 again. So that's basically it. I don't want to stay in on the charts doing some dumb decisions. So um, yeah, have a nice time, and we will see each other tomorrow. I don't know what that was. That was kind of stupid, but it is what it is. And we will see each other tomorrow. I haven't done anything today, and that's fine. That's good. And it's still NFP, and we don't want to risk it for some dumb decision.